Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to bring you an exclusive deep dive into the highly anticipated Honor Magic V2, the cutting-edge smartphone creating a buzz in 2024. In this review, we'll meticulously explore its specifications, unique features, and overall performance, offering valuable insights to help you decide if the Honor Magic V2 is your ideal device. Stay tuned as we uncover every aspect of this innovative smartphone, providing you with the information you need to make an informed decision about your next tech companion. Before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this phone from Amazon at a discounted price. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the Honor Magic V2. It's equipped with some impressive hardware and software, promising a top-notch user experience. Under the hood, the Honor Magic V2 boasts a robust performance, driven by the formidable Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. This cutting-edge processor not only guarantees a seamless user experience but also facilitates efficient multitasking, ensuring that the device effortlessly handles diverse tasks with ease. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 at its core, the Magic V2 stands out as a powerhouse, promising users a swift and responsive performance for a wide range of applications and activities. The Honor Magic V2 takes your mobile experience to the next level with an impressive 16 GB of RAM, offering a substantial boost in multitasking capabilities. Complemented by generous storage choices of either 256 GB or 512 GB, this smartphone ensures ample space for your files, apps, and multimedia content. Bid farewell to storage worries as the Magic V2 not only caters to your expansive storage needs but also guarantees a seamless app switching experience, allowing you to navigate effortlessly between tasks without any lag or slowdowns. Fueling this powerhouse is a massive 5,000 mAh battery, providing ample juice to keep you going throughout the day. In terms of connectivity, the Magic V2 features USB-C for charging and data transfer. It's always great to see modern and universal ports on flagship devices. Running on the latest software, the device boasts Android 13 with Honor's custom macOS 7.2 skin, delivering a unique and refined user interface. Let's talk about the camera setup. On the front, you've got not one but two 16MP wide cameras with an f2.2 aperture, perfect for capturing detailed selfies and group shots. Flipping to the back, the Magic V2 impresses with a triple camera setup, a 50MP wide lens with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 20MP telephoto lens with OIS. This combination promises versatile and stunning photography. The Honor Magic V2 is future-proof with 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring high-speed data transfer and connectivity. Fold it up and you get dimensions of 156.7 by 74 by 9.9 millimeters. Unfold it, and you've got a sleek 156.7 by 145.4 by 4.7 millimeters profile. The Magic V2 comes in vibrant colors, including purple, black, PU/glass, and gold. At 231G, it strikes a good balance between a substantial feel and portability. Charging is a breeze with the 66 watts Honor Supercharge, ensuring you spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your device. No need to carry a separate device. The Honor Magic V2 supports a stylus on both screens, enhancing productivity and creativity on the go. It's worth noting that the device doesn't have an IP rating, so caution is advised around water and dust. In conclusion, the Honor Magic V2 is a powerhouse of a smartphone, combining cutting-edge hardware with a sleek design and innovative features. The dual-screen setup and stylus support make it a unique contender in the market. However, the absence of an IP rating might be a consideration for some users. That wraps up our review of the Honor Magic V2. What are your thoughts on this device? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews and we'll see you in the next one.